May I please?
Yes.
Dr. Becker mentioned one item. We filed a vacating application, my lord, in the writ petition. Our tower has been closed on the submission of the petitioner. The tower is not in operation, but tower is in operation since June. So, my lord, I want the matter to be listed on first, my lord.
First is,
First, Friday, my lord.
when did you file the IA?
I my lord, filed number is there.
When did you file?
I filed it for the day before yesterday.
Okay. Okay,
But
we'll have it on
this
first.
is IN number, my lord.
Okay, we'll have it on first.
Obliged.
My document from item number 11, my lord.
Yes.
This matter already in fixed hospital. In fixed hospital,
Infractuous.
my lord. 11.
What is your name?
M. Hawk.
M. Hawk. Anyone from the APDCL? Yes, Mr. Bothakur. We record your presence, APDCL. Three M. Hawk, Learned Counsel, for the petitioners, submits that by flux of time, the matter has become infructuous. Full stop. 3 I. Bothakur, Learned Counsel, is present for the APDCL. Full stop. Para. Writ petition is accordingly dismissed as infructuous. Yes.
My lord, I beg to mention this matter to come up for admission on Friday, my lord.
Urgency is there.
Urgency is little bit there because it is regarding acquisition proceedings that needs to be started for the land that has been already requisitioned long time back and no acquisition proceeding till date. And that
Next week. No urgency. Next week.
my lord.
Next Wednesday.
Obliged.
That is your lord.
Matter of which year, Mr. Khatunia?
It's of 21.
Okay, next Wednesday. Next Monday.
Pleadings have been
Next Monday, is it open? Or have it on 4th?
obliged.
My lord, this is the contractual matter, my lord. This was filed yesterday.
Motion matter.
Yeah.
Motion you can have when do you want? Day after tomorrow?
Day after.
Okay.
Item number 26, my lord. Need to file a reply. I have taken consent of Mr. Parashar.
My lord, here I am waiting for the response. My lord, actually they are enjoying the stay order since 16th of.
Now you tell us, if you have objections, we are not going to.
No, my lord, one chance maybe, but a date may be fixed.
We'll fix a date, don't worry.
My lord.
Sri P. Bharadwaj, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, prays for time to file rejoinder affidavit. He's otherwise entitled to file a rejoinder. What one chance?
No, my lord, earlier also, my lord,
he had taken time
my lord,
for filing rejoinder.
my lord, earlier non-appears for the we file away affidavit.
Okay, Sri K.K. Parashar, Learned CGC, however, submits that a date may be fixed as there is an interim order in operation. Full stop. Para. List on. Yes, Mr. Bharadwaj.
My lord, on 19 or 20th.
Today is 29. We'll have it on 11th of December. File it. 11th. Interim order passed earlier, stands extended till the next date of listing.
Okay. Again, I beg to mention for listing a case for admission, my lord. This is my tender matter, my lord. They are obtaining stay order, my lord. It is complete, my lord.
Have you filed any IA for vacating stay?
Vacating, we have actually not filed, my lord, because, my lord.
Matter of which year?
2023, my lord. 23, my lord.
When do you want?
My lord, any day, second week of December, my lord.
We'll have it on 11th of December.
My lord.
May I please, your lordship? I am praying for listing this matter for contempt matters for orders, my lord. Already affidavit have been filed, my lord, long back. Some of orders as for lordship.
No, contempt matter of which year?
2020.
23. No, 22. When was it last listed?
Last 15/11/2023 listed, but not breached.
Okay, give some date in December 8th. 8th December.
I beg to mention item number 16 million.
16.
60 million.
60. Yes.
On some of the other side million. You to 1 week time maybe allowed.
You're for the private respondent?
Yes, million.
Lordship, I'm appearing for the petitioner, Lordship. This is a settlement for 1 year, Lordship. Kindly, it may be fixed.
Okay, we'll give a week's time.
Lordship.
You will file rejoinder affidavit.
No, my lord, because my senior is in this.
Who?
This is that.
Oh, he's okay. So you're praying for an adjournment. Three, D.A. Kayum, learned counsel for the private respondent, prays for an adjournment on the ground that his senior, Sri B.C. Das, is unwell. Full stop. Three,
L. Shankar.
Lensu, learned counsel for the petitioner, however, submits that the matter pertains to a settlement which is for 1 year and therefore prays for a date. Full stop para. Considering the same, list this case on the 6th of December.
My pleasure, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing a matter for motion, Lordship.
Motion, yes, no problem.
Tomorrow, Lordship.
Tomorrow, why?
There is an urgency, Lordship.
What is the urgency?
Respondent number 2 recommend his name and respondent number 1 also approve the same. And now process of handing over is going on, Lordship.
Regarding,
Settlement of Latimara ferry service, Lord.
who are you?
I am for the petition, second highest bidder and respondent number 4 who is selected, Lordship. There is a discrepancy of his land valuation certificate and non-encumbrance certificate. I filed complaint, Lordship. But that was
I don't think there's a, okay, we'll have it tomorrow.
obliged.
Motion. Have you filed or not?
Yes, Lordship. Yesterday I have.
Okay. Mr. Bonik,
My lord, the photo pass. Item number 55.
55 years.
55. I presume I have to file a miscellaneous application. In the earlier order was a direction to take dusty service. The respondent number was erroneously differently indicated. To that effect, I would pray for time. So far, my colleague is concerned.
I'm also waiting for instruction.
So could it be after a week?
After.
If the matter can be disposed of, we have the instructor, we have almost completed their demand, Lord. We are
Then
not,
let the matter come up. Obliged.
Lordship, with regards to item number 8 of today's list,
Yes.
I have instructions to withdraw the same. The excise department issued a notice to us to supply them with the NOC of our rented premises.
Okay.
Initially, a stay was granted, but
Okay.
now I have shifted my premises from that place.
Okay.
So the
Sri
cause of-
MP Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that due to subsequent development, there is no existing cause of action and therefore he would like to withdraw this writ petition. Full stop.
Lordship, liberty, if Lordship
That
grants
is a
us-
different cause of action. You always
Yes,
have the
yes,
liberty.
yes, that will be-
Excise department, anybody's name can.
I have informed them last night.
Sri I. Botakur, learned counsel appears for the excise department. Full stop para. The writ petition accordingly stands closed on withdrawal.
So interim orders may also be vacated.
Interim order passed earlier stands vacated.
Highly obliged.
Lord, I beg to mention an item for listing. There's an interim order operating where a cancellation order has been stayed.
Cancellation of what?
Cancellation of work order, Lord.
Okay. Writ petition of which year?
2023, Lord.
We'll have it next week.
Yes.
We'll have it on 6th of December.
item number 24, Lordship. I was supposed to file affidavit, Lord.
This you can take it back, Mr. Chaudhary, MP Chaudhary. Okay, decision. Yes.
Item number 24, Lordship. I think one time, Lordship.
My lord, last 2 or 3 occasions they have taken time to file the affidavit.
What is the matter, Mr. Sharma?
Lordship, actually we have given settlement to the highest bidder, Lordship. They are saying that there is some anomalies in the documents of the highest bidder. That is the case.
Is there any stay order?
No stay order.
Okay, but have you filed your affidavit?
No, we have not filed, Lordship.
And you get the record whether you file an affidavit or will.
Lordship, I will get the record.
When? Tell us the date. If it's a settlement for how many years, Mr. Sharma?
7 years.
7 years.
7 years, okay. When?
Any time after 5th, Lordship.
When did it start?
Lordship.
When did the tenure start?
That already 1 year over.
1 year.
Over.
1 year over.
And they have deposited around 50 lakh rupees at the bank.
Why do you need time?
Lordship, it is my fault that I could not file the affidavit. I will produce a record. Lordship.
Okay, 2 weeks time, okay?
Well.
On the prayer of Sri Sharma, learned counsel, learned standing counsel, AFDC, 2 weeks time is granted to file affidavit in opposition. Full stop. Sri J. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Sri N. Bora, learned counsel for respondent number 4 are present. 2 weeks. File it.
May I please,
Yes.
may I please, Lordship, settlement of Pargat, Lordship, for admission. Please, the matter list on 1st December, Lordship, some urgency there. Last posting, Lordship, 29, 23,
29,
23,
29, 29.
29, 23.
A settlement for how many years? What is the tenure? What is the period of settlement? Okay, come prepared, not like this. Yes, Mr. Ahmed.
Item 6, Lordship, I have instruction not to place Lordship. Is it restoration petition, Lord?
Item 6. Yes.
Lord. My Lord,
What is your prayer?
my Lord, it may be, I may be allowed to withdraw, Lordship.
You want to withdraw this? Sri M.H. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he would like to withdraw. Which, the writ petition or MC?
My Lord, the writ petition was dismissed for default. Lord.
Understood. Now you want to withdraw what?
My Lord, the
Miss-
case, Lordship, as well
withdraw
as
the
writ petition, Lordship.
withdraw this application which has been filed for restoration of the writ petition. Full stop. CGC, anyone? Also heard Sri K, no, also heard Sri K Gogoi learned CGC is present. Para, application accordingly stands dismissed.
With liberty, Lordship.
What liberty? Only dismissed on withdrawal.
My Lord, item 12, Lordship, I have another prayer, Lordship. Item 12, I'm sorry, Lordship.
12, yes.
12, Lordship. I have a consent of other side, Lordship. It may be taken up after 2 weeks, Lord.
After 4 weeks. 18 matter, sorry.
My Lord, not for the Lord.
1 or 2 days we can accommodate, but not 4
My Lord,
weeks.
it may be, today may be accommodated.
Today we'll accommodate, no problem, no issue. Sri M.H. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioners. Praise for an adjournment, full stop. However, considering that this writ petition is of the year 2018, while the prayer for adjournment is declined, a short accommodation is granted, directing listing of this matter on 7th of December.
Lost. All right.
Well, 7th December will take for disposal, 18
Yes,
matter.
Lord.
Yes.
I beg to mention for listing of a writ petition, Lord, is the tender matter.
Fresh matter.
No, Lord, the admission matter. There's an urgency because, Lord, in this case, what happened? The petitioner which was held to be technically non-responsive. They preferred the writ petition. They were not granted interim relief. They approached the division bench. Division bench made an observation that till the disposal of the writ petition, the work order shall be stayed. So, Lord, there is an urgency because the work order is in stayed in, and
You're for the respondent in the writ petition.
Respondent number 5, we have emerged as a winner in this case.
Okay. Who is for the petitioner?
Petitioner, we have informed the comment.
Okay, we'll have it on Monday next.
Okay.
Wait, before Lordship, also I beg to mention item number 2, Lordship.
2 years.
Here in this case, Lordship, we have filed the additional affidavit yesterday. Lordship, kindly may allow us to bring it on.
Yes, please bring.
Yeah, please, Lord. With the concern of other side, beg to mention item number 21, Lord.
21.
21.
Yes.
Lordship, affidavit has to be filed, but we are awaiting instruction in this matter.
You're for whom?
Lordship, for the respond, all the respond.
For this Union of India.
Lordship,
You're with Mr. Gupta.
Lordship,
Have you informed the other side?
Lordship, we have taken consent.
On a prayer made on behalf of the Respondent Union of India, matter is adjourned by 4 weeks to enable obtaining of instructions / filing of opinion opposition.
I'm of late.
Is there any interim order? Okay. Yes, madam.
Also, I beg to mention item number 45 and 46, Your
Yes.
Lordship. I kindly adjourn for today, Your Lordship.
45, 46, review petition.
Yes, Your Lordship.
On a prayer made on behalf of the applicant. The matter stands adjourned to be listed after a week.
Yes, sir.
Separate order, huh? Are these matters connected?
No, Your Lordship, they are not.
Separate?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. Okay.
May I listing for tender matter next week? Do I was highest bidder, Lordship?
Motion matter.
No, Lordship. Lordship. Record was called for, Lordship. It was last.
And settlement for how many years?
1 year, Lordship.
1 year, okay. 11 and 6th.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, as regards item number 35 and 36, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Yesterday, we have filed an application for withdrawal of the names of the learned councils, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Your Lordship, newly councils have been engaged, Your Lordship. So, Your Lordship, I pray that the names of the learned councils may be struck off, Your Lordship. I'm placing the application which have been made to the judicial registrar, Your Lordship.
Let the matter come up. We'll. Who are the new councils or new councils Appointed, engaged.
Engaged, yes, Your Lordship. Miss L. Tado, perhaps, and Miss
And Tado, R Tado.
R. Tado, yes, Your Lordship.
Where are your names? You are with whom? T. Deori.
Yes, Your Lordship. I'm assisting T. Deori, Your Lordship, in this matter.
Let it reach, we'll see at that time, okay?
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
May it please your Lordship, I am praying for listing of one arbitration petition, Lordship. Can it be on any date in the next week?
Arbitration?
Arbitration petition, Lordship, for appointment of arbitrator.
Okay. Have you new matter?
No, Lordship, for admission.
Admission, okay, 6th of December.
Much of it.
Wait, please, Mr. Lawson. I beg to mention item number 42, my lord.
42 years.
My lord, the order is compliant, my lord, and speaking order also passed, my lord, here.
You are BK Das.
My lord, I am HP Gwala.
HP Gwala. 3. HP Gwala Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that during the pendency of this petition, comma, the order dated ... passed in WPC ... has been complied with, and therefore he would not like to continue with this petition. Have you informed the other side?
My lord, no, my lord.
Amnath A. Bhattacharjee, anyone? I'm not getting this. Who is Amnath? Amnath, oh, okay, Manavendranath. A. Bhattacharjee. 3. Amnath, Learned Counsel, Senior Counsel, is present for the respondent. Para. Application is accordingly dismissed as infructuous. And none, and the contempt petition is accordingly stands closed. Don't dismiss, no, closed. Please inform Mr. Amnath or any of his associate and ask them to come to the court once. Okay.
Okay.
May I please, Your Lordship? I would beg to mention for listing.
Listing of what?
Listing of writ petition.
New matter.
No, it was in motion. For motion.
New matter.
Yes.
When do you want?
No, it was last posted on 31st July.
Still at the stage of motion?
Yes.
31st July, notice of motion was not issued.
No.
Okay, we'll have it next week, next Monday.
Next month.
What is the subject matter?
Something like a non-payment of contractor's bill.
Are you sure that it's at the motion stage?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay.
May please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 51 and 52 of the daily list, Your Lordship.
Yes, contempt matters.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, my senior is in bereavement, Your Lordship. That the matter may come up next week.
Okay. It is submitted. That's free. A.N. Chaudhary, Senior Counsel, is in bereavement, and therefore a prayer for adjournment has been sought for. Who has passed away?
His brother passed away.
List after 2 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
Beleg beleg ke diba, huh?
I please your Lordship, my lord, I have to deposit piece of another petitioner, my lord. I got to respect, my lord. Only one day time may be allowed, my lord. Or my lord may issue notice, my lord. In this regard.
Have you filed the affidavit?
No, actually, my lord, affidavit for instruction, my lord, kindly see page 14, my lord.
No, we will not
already
go,
certificate in there, my lord.
Mr. Atia will not go beyond the orders of the court. Court has said that an affidavit is required to be filed. File the affidavit.
My lord, the inspector already, what inspector is your lordship may pick for.
Haven't you seen the order of this court?
Yes, my lord, 14, my lord.
No, not 14, 2211.
Yes, I seen, my lord.
Yes.
At that time, my lord, I got mistake, my lord, to refer the page 14, my lord.
Page
14, my lord. This is the certificate, my lord, for settlement of 1 year, my lord. Market settlement.
No, that is not the.
They have to file affidavit, Lordship, as per the Honorable Court's order dated 18/11/23.
Regarding deficit court fee.
Deficit court fee, I will.
Have you filed?
No, not.
Then without that, how can you proceed?
Then
This is a irregular petition, defective petition, and you want us to issue notice on a defective petition. What is this, Mr. Atia?
one day time.
One day or 1 week, 1 year, it's your thing. But how can you to pass orders in a defective petition? Is it proper to make such a submission?
Therefore, my lord, I take time.
Now, why did you take us to the merits of the case? You did not seek time. You wanted to say, have you filed the affidavit regarding deficit court fee?
I will file.
On the prayer of Sri AJRT, learned counsel for the petitioner, matter is adjourned by 2 weeks to enable him.
My lord, may next week, my lord.
By a week to enable him to submit the deficit court fee. Yes.
All right.
Item 2.
Wait, please, your lordship. This matter, your lordship, the petitioner has come before your lordship for a termination of the award passed because of.
Have you filed the additional affidavit?
Yes, we have filed. It has been
Today.
called. I'll give a copy, your lordship. Till then, it will come now. Only thing, your lordship, what has happened? I'll take your lordship to the case because there was a award passed by the Honorable Labour Court, the London Labour Court, wherein the petitioner who was working here was. I'll take it to your lordship to the award at page 35. It starts from. I will.
You are
just,
challenging an award.
No, not challenging. What has happened, your lordship? Just for a moment. The award
Yes.
was passed against us, directing us to reinstate the workman with full back pay.
Okay.
We issued notice to the workman to come and rejoin in the post where she was working earlier. She replied, saying that I am not going to rejoin until and unless you give us the post of grade 1 with pay scale. And that letter actually was not before your lordship. That was to be annexed. Then what has happened, your lord? We said, no, you are entitled to be appointed to the post you are holding at that point of time. She did not join. She came before this honorable court challenging the award. This honorable court dismissed her writ petition. Then we made an application saying that no, since you come and join, otherwise we will the award would be terminated. Then again, same thing. You give us grade 1 and pay scale, otherwise I'm not paying. And the matter is hanging like that. You cannot continue for an award for a long period of time. There is a time limit of an award, your lordship, under the Industrial Dispute Act. And I have also given, as per the act, I have also given notice to the person concerned regarding that. Still, she's not coming, your lordship, after 5 years, 7 years, one day she will come.
Some idea concern? Industrial Dispute Act.
I'll take your lordship to section 19.
Section
19. One 19. And
yes.
per period of operation and settlement of award. A settlement shall come into operation on such a date as agreed upon by the parties to the dispute, and if no date is agreed upon, on the date on which the memorandum of settlement is signed by the parties. Such settlement shall be binding for such a period as agreed upon by the parties. Any period is not agreed upon for a period of 6 months from the date on which the memorandum of settlement is signed. And your lordship, an award. Then number 3 is the part. An award shall, subject to the provisions of this section, remain in operation for a period of 1 year from the date of enforcement under section 17. So enforcement was on a period, your lordship, it's long back. Then your lordship, I will take your lordship to the serial number 6. This part has also been complied. Notwithstanding the expiry of the period of operation under section 3, the award shall continue to be binding on the parties until a period of 2 months has elapsed from the date on which notice is given by any party bound by the award to the other party or party intimating its intention to terminate the award. So this notice was also given. After finally, your lordship, she says that no, I will not join until and unless I am given the post of grade 1. How can that be done, your lord? That is why we have come before you. Otherwise, automatically it would have been terminated. Basically, this is the case. If your lordship will see the award, I am showing the award because in the award itself, it is shown that she was not in a grade 1 post. Lordship will kindly turn up page 35. The award start from 35, your lordship. Page 36, para 3. Page 36, para. May I read, your lord?
Just a minute. I think 196 section 3. Petitions we should apply to any. What is the implication, Mr. Manan,
Implication is, your lordship, what has happened already?
regarding the time period?
Because what has happened, if the award is not terminated here, it will continue in operation for a period of 1 year normally. Then after notice for at least 2 months after.
No, after 1 year, you cannot enforce the award.
No, they can enforce. That is why there is required to be a notice. That is why I have told 19.6.
Yes.
That 2 months notice has to be given.
Let us see the award.
Award. That is why I am taking a notice.
Page
Page 35.
35.
35.
Yes.
And then also
let us see the reference. The questions, the referred questions.
The question para 1 itself.
Yes.
Whether the management of Greenfield Tea Warehouse
Dismissing.
so and so is justified in dismissing and discharging the workman so and so from service, and
Okay.
2, if not, she should be reinstated with full back pay. Now, your lordship, I'll just point out 2-3 paragraphs. Para 3, relevant part.
Now the award was in her favor.
In her favor, and she is not joining you.
Let us see where.
That is why
Page, let us see the operative part of the award.
operative part, your lordship, will come to page 40,
Entitled to back wages.
47.
Is entitled to back wages.
Entitled to reinstatement from full back.
Thereafter, what has happened?
Thereafter, your lordship will see next page, page 48. She did not come, your lordship, to rejoin. Nothing was there. So we made an we issued a letter to her stating that, your lordship, it has come to our notice that you have failed to approach our office for joining as receiving.
Okay, what was the judgment of this court?
Which judgment, your lordship?
The award, the judgment which was passed in the challenge made by the workman.
Oh yeah, that your lordship will find at page 50.
Not the operative part.
Operative part is at page 50.
61.
61.
Cannot be exceeded, therefore it presents the however.
Para
This
26.
not come into enforcing the award and what did she ask here?
Here she again asked the same thing. The award, the enhancement of her pay.
For modifying the award.
Yes, for enhancement of the pay. The court said that will be a different litigation under the Payment of Wages Act.
Our dismissal.
He has approached the authorities under Payment of Wages Act. We are not against that.
Okay. Now what has happened? 15 to 2016.
She approached the authorities, the labor court, labor commissioner, for enhancement of that is a separate part. Here, where it has been dismissed, this takes.
Now, what is your grievance now?
My grievance is that the award that was passed many years back, your lordship, it has spent its course because she did not come and join. With regard to her payment and all that, that part, if the court orders, then it's a different issue. Here, your lordship, the award has to be terminated because she cannot be put in a post of grade 1, which is eligible because she has.
So far as the observation of this court at paragraph 27 is concerned, at page 61.
Yes.
That will not be rendered odious. Come to page 27, page 61, paragraph 27.
Yes, exactly, your lordship. I am on that. 27. However, the dismissal of the writ petitioner will not come in a way of enforcing the award dated so and so and grant a relief to the petitioner in terms of the said award. So we are ready to grant the relief. Now, what the court say? If the petitioner has any further grievance, as noticed in the award dated so and so, it will be open to her to raise such grievance before the appropriate forum. She has raised that. We are not against that. We are against the particular award, your lordship. She is enforcement of the award. If it is 1 year, since 1 year has passed, court has said that yes, you can
let us issue notice. We are not too much convinced.
I am not asking for anything. Notice will do. Let her come up and say.
Y.S. Manan. learned counsel for the petitioner.
Lordship, my lord may kindly come to page 64.
I don't think they have
64.
anything to do in this matter.
Last I have to point out the,
Let him
Yeah,
maybe some.
say, but I don't think they have
64.
anything.
they have erred as a party, Lordship. It's our duty to point out.
Yes,
this
yes.
to the
Let
court.
him point out.
What is it? 64.
Page 64 a application, Lordship, under the payment of wages section.
Yes,
Correct.
that is other,
And
other.
Lordship, then Lordship, page 67, Lordship. Page 67. Petition. The respondents, Lordship, here in Lordship is paying for claiming under the payment of wages.
Yeah, that was already
Wages
given.
section.
Okay, let him submit, Mr. Mana. Let him, what is it?
Lordship, regarding Lordship, the execution of the particular award, Lord. If it is the particular respondent don't choose to Lordship execute that award, Lord, it is open for the payment of wages tax, Lord.
Yeah.
No, the challenge is not under the, regarding this order at
Lord.
page 67.
Lord,
They are trying to invoke the provision of the ID Act by contending that
by
after a
operation
particular
of-
time,
operation of law, it
award,
should be- Lordship.
it gets terminated. Let us issue notice.
Lordship may issue notice that
Maybe-
this is this, Lord.
Maybe this will need some examination.
Lordship,
not too much.
examination is required, yes, because Lordship. there is
Second
option
part, your
for-
lordship, the payment of wages, the court has given them the liberty. She has approached, let them go. She'll be, if she's entitled to get more payment, she'll get it.
Let's Vice Management Counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. The initiation of this writ petition was with a reference made to the learned labor court, Guwahati, on the issue of dismissal of the private respondent. Full stop. The reference was answered by the learned labor court, Guwahati, wide award dated 30/3/2013, holding the dismissal to be bad in law and directed reinstatement with full back wages. Full stop.
One more thing, if your lordship, for a moment, at page 46, your lordship. That's because that if your lordship incorporate, then easier. This point has also been decided by the labor court. Page 46, the last paragraph. Sorry for interrupting, but
Yes.
in her WS evidence, the concerned workman has claimed that the management paid her less amount than she was entitled to, and so she has claimed an amount from that count. However, in my considered view, the state.
Okay. We are only issuing notice at this
Yes.
stage. The workman, however, had filed a writ petition, WPC 6968 of 2013, in respect of the award, with a contention that her claim for higher pay was not considered.
Yes.
Full stop. This court, however, wide judgment and order dated
21/7/2015
had dismissed the writ petition by holding that different forum is available for the said claim. Full stop. This court had, however, observed that dismissal of the writ petition will not come into the way of enforcing the award of the learned labor court dated 30/3/2013. Full stop. Para. It is the contention of the learned counsel for the petitioner that in spite of notice issued by the petitioner, the private respondent has not come forward to join her duties, and by application of section 19 of the Industrial Disputes Act 1947, the award automatically stands terminated. Full stop. Para. Let notice be issued, returnable by automatically is terminated after a particular point of time. Let notice be issued, returnable by 4 weeks. State, you'll for the state. K. Gogoi, Learned State Council accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1. That extra copy. Steps for service are responded to by reset post within 3 days. By tomorrow. Okay, by tomorrow.
Already 50 days.
Why tomorrow is a working day? One copy. By tomorrow.
Much obliged.
May I appeal to you?
Yes.
My lord, in terms of the my lord, order passed by this honorable court, the petitioner has been my lord, given my lord, temporary settlement till the final order passed by the my lord, competent authority in a particular guard, my lord. But after the settlement, my lord, the private respondent as well as the my lord, the concerned respondent authorities, my lord, are disturbing in running the my lord, said guard. So this writ petition has been filed. Now, Lordship, kindly see the first order at page 22.
Okay, let us issue notice.
Lordship, may I point it out some? This wrong submission has been given by. Lordship, may I kindly first come to page number 16 first.
16.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
This is the relevant portion of the order, our order, my lord. The Commissioner and Secretary, the Government of Assam Panchayat and Rural Development Department will pass effective orders within a period of 30 days from the date of receipt, till the matter is disposed of by the Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Assam, Panchayat and Rural Development Department, as directed above, let the department directly run the Bogoribari Patargata Parkhat. This is the concern, my lord. Order was to directly run, my lord. Now, Lordship may kindly come to page number 20, my lord.
20.
This is the order passed by the video, my lord. Abdul.
What was the date of the High Court's order?
High Court's order date is, my lord,
22/9.
Yes, my lord. 22/9. Thereafter, on 4/10/2023.
You were given 30 days.
Yes, it is Abdul Quddus Ahmed. He is a tax collector of the department.
30 days to
collect the tolls, my lord.
No. The Commissioner and will pass effective orders.
Yes.
30 days to pass effective orders. Till then,
department have to directly run the my lord.
Yes, then
my lord, page 20, my lord.
20.
Yes. This is the original, my lord.
The
video, my lord, passed this order by which one Abdul Quddus Ahmed, he is the tax collector, my lord, of the department, was authorized to collect the tolls on behalf of the department.
Yes.
Then, my lord, Lordship may kindly come to page 22. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
This is a authority letter, my lord, authorized letter by tax collector to the petitioner to collect the tolls on behalf of him.
Okay.
His role is only to collect the tolls on behalf of the tax collector. Now he is submitting that he is the settlement holder, my lord. In everything, everywhere in FIR also, my lord. He don't have any authority to file this writ petition, my lord. Lordship may kindly now come to their prayer, my lord. Prayer portion. Page 11, my lord. Starts from page 10, my lord. Page 10. They are praying for the whole year, settlement for whole year. This is their intention, my lord. The petitioner's intention.
Page 10.
Page 10. From page 10.
Not to disturb.
The petitioner is running the Bogoribari Patkata Ghat for the year 2023-24. He is not the settlement holder, my lord. How can he pray that, my lord?
Yes, Lordship, kindly see, my lord, till the, my lord, the last order, Lordship will kindly see, my lord, page 25.
25. Yes.
In pursuance of the, with the order number so passed by the Executive Officer, Nailga Antulik Panchayat, Village Dipra, as directed by the AP President of Nailga AP, Sri Quddus Ahmed, tax collector of Nailga, to hereby authorized to Abdul Barak Ali, a son of to collect their tolls Bogoribari Patakata Ghat for on behalf of me until the final order of the competent authority for the year 2023 and 2024.
Yes.
Because of this, my lord, he is collecting.
Yes.
That is,
Is the settlement given in your favor?
no settlement. That is authorized
Then-
letter. This is authorized letter.
No, letter to collect on behalf of the
Antalik Panchayat.
Panchayat.
Yes, Antalik Panchayat.
Now, what is your prayer?
Now, prayer, lordship, kindly see, my lord, they are disturbing, my lord. We have, my lord, filed, my lord, two, my lord, cases against the, my lord, private respondent. Page, my lord, 29, first, lord, page 29.
Running in the so and so in favor of the petitioner. Where is the settlement in your favor?
Not settlement, authorized to collect the tolls, my lord.
What prejudice are you suffering?
Now, my lord, because the, my lord, private respondent is disturbing in collecting.
What
the
prejudice are you suffering? You're only collecting on somebody's behalf. Let them make the complaint. You complain to them.
Yes, we have lost complaint, my lord, before the, my lord, concerned authority.
Yes.
The SP.
They'll look into it.
Yes, my lord, they are not taking action, my lord.
So how are you suffering the prejudice? You're the agent.
Yes, agent.
They have not come before us.
Now, my lord, they have authorized me to collect the tools.
They have not come before us. They are not suffering any loss. Your prayer appears to be with a different motive.
Now, till the final order, my lord, he may be, my lord, permitted to collect the tools, my lord. That much only.
Why? Where is that order? Will it not amount to with reviewing the order passed earlier?
Now, thus, my lord, authorized to collect the tools, my lord. Now, since they are disturbing the private party.
Mr. Mondal, it's an abuse of the process.
Now, once I have been, my lord,
Abuse of the process, you are abusing the process of court.
now, once I have been authorized to collect the tools, my lord.
Your authority is what? Restricted to or only for collecting?
Yes.
Do you have any personal interest?
No
You are not the
personal
settlement holder.
Yes.
You are collecting for somebody else. He is not aggrieved.
Now, that is, of course, my lord, some, my lord, commission is given.
Mr. Mondal, you have to pay cost.
Collection, my lord.
You have to pay cost for this petition. This is an abuse. Don't come up with this kind of prayers. We take whatever you say on your face value. We would have issued notice. This is a clear case of abuse. We are under the impression that the 30 days you are given the settlement till the matter is disposed of. You are not given settlement.
Authorized to collect.
Authority to collect on behalf of somebody, the tax
Yes.
collector, who himself was under authority of the panchayat.
Yes.
So what loss, what prejudice are you suffering? Has anybody lost complaints against you that you are not making the collection?
Now, since the private respondent is disturbing, my lord.
Heard Sri M.U. Mondal, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard.
My lord, in that case, my lord, we may be permitted to, my lord, withdraw with the
We are
liberty.
permitting you to pay cost of 10,000
My lord, with liberty
to the High Court's welfare fund.
My lord, with liberty to
Sorry.
approach the, my lord, competent authority.
You have
to
wasted
discuss-
wasted a lot of time. Your approach in coming to the court, we are not, we are deprecating. Also heard Sri S. Datta, learned standing counsel, PNRD, full stop. Para. The projected case of the petitioner is that while various communications dated 4/10/2023, 5/10/2023, and 1/11/2023, the petitioner was allowed to collect the tolls from the Bogribari Patata Kata Ghat with effect from 5/10/2023 till final orders are passed by the competent authority. As full stop, it is submitted that an order was passed by this court on 22/9/2023 in WPC 5575/2023. Full stop. The submission made by the learned counsel is that the private respondent numbers 8 to 18 are causing disturbance in such collection of tolls from the Ghat. And in this regard, FIR has been lodged on 5/10/2023, 13/10/2023, and 14/11/2023, full stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner accordingly prays for appropriate relief, full stop, para. 3. Doctor, the learned standing counsel of the department, however, questions the locus as well as bona fide of the petitioner in approaching the court, full stop. He submits that in the garb of this petition, the petitioner is trying to have an indulgence from this court to facilitate in running the Ghat without any order of settlement, full stop, para. To examine the rival submissions, it would be necessary to take into account the relief prayed for in this writ petition, which is as follows, page 10, full stop. The bare reading of the prayer would give an idea that the petitioner is seeking a direction from this court not to disturb him in running the Bogribari so-and-so Ghat for the year 2023-24, stated to be settled in favor of the petitioner by the Nairalga Anchalik Panchayat, full stop, Panchayat in the district of Dhubri, para. A perusal of the order dated 22/2/2023 passed by this court in WPC 5575 of 2023, instituted by the petitioner, will, however, give a different picture altogether, full stop. This court had disposed of the said writ petition by directing the department to pass effective orders within 30 days from the date of receipt of the certified copy until the matter is disposed of, the Ghat in question was to be run by the department directly, full stop. 3. Doctor, the learned counsel has referred to an order dated 4/10/2023 issued by the executive officer cum BDO, whereby one Sri Abdul Quddus Ahmed, the tax collector, was authorized to collect the tolls from the Ghat in question, full stop. Pursuant to the said order, the said Abdul Quddus Ahmed had issued an authority letter dated 5/10/2023 to the petitioner to collect the tolls on his behalf, full stop. Para. It becomes clear that the present job assigned to the petitioner was only as an agent of the tax collector, who himself was deputed as an agent by the Anchalik Panchayat to collect the tolls of the Ghat in question till the matter is finally resolved concerning the settlement, full stop. Nowhere, there are no materials even to indicate that there has been any settlement in favor of the petitioner, full stop. Juxtaposed, the prayer portion of this writ petition would lead this court to a conclusion as if the settlement is in favor of the petitioner for the year 2023-24, which does not appear to be a correct projection of the facts. Full stop. This court is therefore of the opinion that the instant writ petition is not only without any merits, but an abuse of the process. Full stop. Accordingly, writ petition is dismissed with a cost of rupees 10,000 to be paid in favor of the Guwahati High Court Lawyers Welfare Fund.
Guwahati
High Court's
Can it
Guwahati
be
High Court Bar Association Welfare Funds.
Can it be 5,000?
Pay some cost to the association. It will benefit you. Yes.
Then the caveat.
I am appearing for caveat.
M.K. Hussain, Learned Counsel, who has lodged this caveat in connection with an order dated 2011-2023 issued by the Fishery Department. Full stop. The caveat would be heard in the event this court proposes to pass any interim order. Full stop. Caveat stands discharged. Yes.
My lord, I'm sealing the order at page 11 on the count that it presupposes some wrongdoing on my part. It stems from a complaint by the private respondent, my lord. Although I was never heard, I did not know about all these things. I deny. I pray for a notice at the moment. My operation is not being hampered. But these are the claims are in the negative. They say I operate in the area of operation of the another fishery. While I say
who is Mr. Hussain?
He's there. So the complaint.
No, who is he?
He is another society. I am another society. He had lodged a complaint, as it allegedly, that I operate in the area of operation of their fishery. With utmost respect, I say, area of operation are the villages, revenue villages from which the membership is drawn. Fishery has its boundary. So we cannot.
Okay, we'll issue notice at
That's
this stage.
absolutely notice for a moment.
Heard 3S Bonic Learned Counsel for the petitioner who has put to challenge an order dated 2011-2023 issued by the Fishery Department. Full stop. By the said order, the Deputy Commissioner Tinsukia is directed to ensure that Messrs. Dibru Dangori River Part 1 MSS Limited as lessee of the Brahmaputra Part 1 and Dibang Nodi NADI fishery operates within their area of operation as per certificate issued by the ARCS Tinsukia. Full stop. Para. Sri Bonic Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that the order has been passed without giving him a proper hearing. Full stop. Para. Let notice be issued, returnable by 4 weeks. Sri Sharma, Learned Standing Counsel, Fishery Department, access notice on behalf of Respondent number 1, Corporation Department, V. Rajkua, Learned Standing Counsel, Corporation Department 2. Eastern Register of Cooperative Societies. Okay, doesn't matter. 2. Yes, 1 and 5, I think,
Yes,
Mr.
yes.
Sharma. 1 and 5, huh? 3 and 4, Government Council, M. Chetty. 3 and 4, and 6, M.K. Hussain. Huh? Extra copies by tomorrow.
Wait.
May I please, your lord? The matter related to non-payment of bill, my lord. The work order is of 2015, my lord. May I take your lordship to the liability statement, my lord, page 14. This is an admitted amount, my lord. Page 15 may kindly be seen. The balance amount is 1,78,848. But since 2015, the amount has not been changed. I have also made a representation. The Lordship may kindly see that.
Yes.
Maybe.
Hmm.
Maybe.
Is the admitted amount, my Lordship?
Heard. Your SLM.
SLM.
SLM learned counsel for the petitioner, who by means of this application has sought for a direction for release of contractual bills. Full stop. It is submitted that though the work is of the year 2015, there is a liability statement dated 7/2/2023, whereby an amount of rupees 1,78,848 has been acknowledged. Full stop. Let notice be issued returnable by 4 weeks.
20.
MS Gogoi for
2 and 3.
1 who is 1? Water resource? Your water resource? All the respondents, I think. 1, 2 and 3. J Gogoi.
Yes.
J Gogoi for all the respondents 1, 2 and 3. That extra copies by tomorrow.
But a tendency should not be passed.
Will not see that. Let's see.
Tablang.
Lordship, last occasion, Lordship, Honorable Court directed to take instruction how much is the amount per installment, Lordship. That instruction I received, but he has filed representation before wrong from Lordship. As far as the minor mineral concession rule, Lordship, Rule 68, appropriate forum is the PCCF, Lordship. Kindly peruse the rule, Lordship, for a that rule.
You are aggrieved by the cancellation order.
Yes, sir.
Let us issue notice here. Let us issue notice here. Okay. Short notice at the stage of admission, perhaps we can dispose of this matter.
In the meantime,
No stay.
Stay of 10/8. How is it possible? Has it been given to somebody else?
No. Yes.
What is the present stage now?
Present state, his cancellation order is
page 66.
Now, what is the present status of the area?
present status not issued present.
Okay. Are you intending to give it to somebody else?
Yet not. Yet.
Are you intending to give it to somebody else?
If he failed, subsequently.
No, have you issued any notice inviting tender?
Then another sort that may be given to.
No, let us issue notice. If there is any development in the meantime, we'll give you liberty to come for approach. Okay. What is your name?
Emma.
M. Ahmed. Harshri M. Ahmed, Learned Counsel, for the petitioner who has put to challenge a cancellation order dated 10/8/2023 issued by the DFO Parbat Chora in the district of Kokrajhar, by which the settlement granted in favor of the petitioner for the Panijani Mahal for 7 years has been cancelled. Full stop. Para. Let notice be issued, returnable on. We'll give a date.
In the meantime, estimate.
We cannot stay it. Cancellation order. We'll give a returnable date. Returnable on 15th of December. Forest. Who's there for Forest Department? Have you served copies or not?
Earlier presentation.
3A Borwa, Learned Council, Standing Council, accepts, Forest, Standing Council, Forest Department accepts notice on behalf of respondent 1, 2, 1 and 2.
1
and 2. Whereas MS RB Bora, Learned Standing Council, BTC accepts notice on behalf of respondent 3, 4, 5,
and
6, 7. and 8, that extra copies of the writ petition be served upon the learned counsel for the respondents by tomorrow. Let steps be taken for service of notice upon the respondent number 9 be registered prosecutor. These steps by tomorrow.
Lordship, case 67, Lordship, representation filed before EM, but thereafter
She says that
forwarded
it
to
is not
DFO.
before the appropriate authority.
Letter
Proper forum is
A pendency of the as regards the representation dated 25/9/2023 stated to be submitted by the petitioner, comma, the learned standing counsel has submitted that the appropriate authority to consider is the PCCF. Full stop. Para, pendency of this writ petition shall not be a bar for the petitioner to file appropriate application before the PCCF.
57, still getting.
Lordship, in case of PTC process, I think it is additional transfer subject to it.
It is?
It is transfer subject to additional.
We have not understood.
My lord, this
Forest-
matter pertains to the BTC and forest subject is the transfer
Transfer
matter
subject.
for BTC.
Oh, so
Okay,
how does it matter?
Additional PCCF.
Additional PCCF. Okay, where the council?
I shall inform you.
Okay, additional PCCF. PCCF, additional PCCF. Yes, what is this?
May pressure, Lordship. Lordship, this is an application for vacating of the interim order.
Yet to find a reply to it.
First time it has come.
It was listed on an
prefer
earlier
second point,
second time. Lordship.
because we have filed a connected writ appeal, my lord. That writ appeal would be.
We will grant some time. What is the interim order?
Lordship, the interim order is that Lordship, an inquiry committee was constituted. The order was passed that there are no allegation of misappropriation of rights could be substantiated. Therefore, Lordship, that order has been, and Lordship, subsequent to that, we approached this honorable court. But this honorable court was pleased to direct the registrar to take a consequential action on that. Subsequently, Lordship, this order came to be passed.
Who are you?
Lordship, I am the respondent number 9, the erstwhile secretary of the Samabhai Committee.
Okay, let him file the objection.
Lordship.
Sri S. Bonik, learned counsel for the opposite party writ petitioner, praised for and is granted further time of 2 weeks to file the objection to this application. Full stop. List after 2 weeks along with such objection.
The interim order.
There are interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing.
Right.
We'll fix a date. Interim
Right.
order is there. List on. On 11th of December. Well, not 11th, 13th of December. 11th. 11th December.
Right.
And this event.
All probability this matter has become infectious, my lord. Can I, my lord, pray that my lord, may take up tomorrow, my lord, at 10:30. I will have the instruction from my client.
This has become infectious.
Please, your lordship, senior is at court number 12.
Tomorrow at 10:30, my lord, I will mention, my lord. All probability. If by the interim order, my lord, in fact, my lord, everything has been given. Reunion was done to my information. And it was found within the permissible limit. So the penalty was also not imposed, I suppose.
Yes, yes.
So let me have the inspection, it can be
Okay.
closed tomorrow.
Sri. Who had appeared on the last occasion? Okay, or respondent. Okay.
No, he's put on.
Sri B. Gogoi, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that most likely the matter has become infructuous, for which he seeks a day's time to obtain the instructions. Full stop. Para. List again tomorrow.
Well,
ये जल्दी मार दीजिए, हाँ?
Item 9.
AC to 9 is it? What is it? Item 9, APDCL. Yes, Mr. Barua.
My lord, this is an old matter. We have just received the instructions, my lord. I seek some time to.
You have
go
filed
through-
your affidavit.
My lord, we had filed an affidavit. However, with regards to two of those terminated franchisees, we were not able to submit the updated information. And as such, the Honorable Court directed us to furnish the information. Well, I've just received some instructions a few minutes back, but I have not had.
Where are the counsel for the petitioner?
They have not.
None appears for the petitioners on call. Whereas Sri A. Barwa, learned counsel is present for the APDCL, who submits that apart from the fact that affidavit in opposition has been filed, some additional instructions have also been received by him, full stop para. In the interest of justice, the matter is adjourned to be listed on Friday next. Full stop. It is, however, made clear that in case of further non-appearance on behalf of non-representation on behalf of the petitioners, this court would pass appropriate orders.
Obliged.
May I please allow? Madam, the matter has been settled between the parties and the payment has been made. So it will be closed in terms of these orders, madam. Letters, madam. These two letters.
Letter by whom?
One by the department and one by us.
Okay.
Which are complying the.
Sri M. Sahewala. No, heard Sri M. Sahewala, learned counsel for the petitioner. Where is the department? Which department?
PWD.
Where is the public works department is represented by its standing counsel Sri B. Gogoi, full stop para. Both the learned counsel has submitted that the matter has been settled outside the court, and in this regard, two communications dated 5th of August 2023, 2022 and 30th of September 2023 have been placed on record, full stop para. The petition accordingly stands closed. First of the aforesaid communication, copies of the aforesaid communications are made part of the record.
If you
May I please allow?
Yes,
This matter relates to lordship non-payment of admitted.
KAC. You are for KAC? Yes. Non-payment of?
Non-payment of admitted dues, lordship, the petitioner.
Yes, yes, what do you say?
In fact, lordship, they have shifted the burden on the
PWD.
PWD and.
Yes, public
GA.
works.
Staff inspection has been furnished, my lord. Can it be on Friday, my lord?
Okay. Next Monday.
Monday.
Okay. Heard Sri RKD Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner. First of para. Sri B. Gogoi and standing counsel PWD. However, submits that some instructions have been received and the matter can be taken up on any other day. Full stop para. List this matter on 4th December. Both the matters.
On 40th, maybe on 5.
Lordship, in any case, the whatever payment has to come.
It will come from PWD.
PWD.
You are around or not?
Yes, sir.
Your 4th, are you there or not?
I'm there, but my senior is not.
Your senior's presence may not be necessary. If it is necessary, we'll accommodate. Okay. 4th. Both the matters?
Yes.
Wait, please, your lordship. But on 11/4/2023, my lord, the court has directed the Mr. Gogoi, my lord, to apply some.
Public Works Department. Mr. Gogoi is a busy man today.
The instructions are awaited hearing.
21 matter, why instructions are awaited?
That means at least time till Friday, my next Friday.
Okay, next Wednesday.
Lord.
Okay, 1 week's time. On the prayer of Sri B. Gogoi, understanding concept PWD, matter is adjourned to be listed on 6th of December to enable him to obtain the instructions. Okay.
16, 17.
Obliged.
Connected me. Yes.
Lordship, on the last occasion, Lordship is directed to file a complete list of debt, Lordship. And matter is covered by the Lordship's judgment.
What is the matter?
Lordship, this method, a petitioner was appointed in a sweeper in.
Oh, that's for.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
why.
Both the matters.
My lord, that first matter is WBC number 7358.
Oh, one is for against your termination, one is for salaries.
Lordship.
Okay, please tell us just in brief. Ask the district was created judicial department stability sanction. Okay. Order from. Okay, we'll dispose this of both the matters. Have you given the earlier order? Who's appearing? Who's appearing? You tell us. Age-based bureau for
Or petitioner.
petitioner. Then you're for who are they? You're for?
Look, I'm for the High Court.
What is your
I'm
name?
appearing on behalf of HK Rasta.
What is your name?
NK Sharma, Lord.
N.K. Sharma. On behalf of
Mr. HK Dutt.
H.K. Das, Standing Council High Court. Anyone else? Huh? Who are 1 and 3? You are State Council. State Council. Okay.
I am for that's on behalf of that state.
For AG.
Yes.
Mr. Medhi is there in the court or not?
What?
Is he there in the court, present in the court or not? He is not
Out
there.
of
Okay, what is your name?
S card.
S.
S card.
Parekh. S. Parekh. You call it Parekh or Parikh?
Card.
Parik, Parik.
B-A-R-I. On behalf of and Ardhor. Vote for AG. Okay. We'll dispose this off. Oh, copy to Lena? Copy to Lena. Mr. Das, you are here?
Yes,
We'll
sir.
record your name.
4 and 5, madam.
We'll say HK Das. High Court matter, try to be there.
Sorry, ma'am.
High Court matter, do not depute anybody.
Yes.
Yes.
What's your
Dispose of.
Deeply.
Dispose of. Allowed.
Milord, we are a registered pharmacist, Milord. Our track license, Milord, I'm a pharmacist. Due to the massive fire, my pharmacy was
Use the microphone.
due to the massive fire, my pharmacy premises and the entire stock was burned down.
Okay.
So I required
In Guwahati?
in Dhemaji, Milord.
Dhemaji,
So I
okay.
required to change the place. So I'm approaching the drug controller for giving me the new pharmacy.
Okay.
Plus, we will need some time to obtain our instruction.
My lord, they.
23 matter. You get the instruction. This is a not
No,
a
I
very
understand,
matter of
but-
dispute. I think you can settle this matter.
Lordship has already heard on 10th March, and Lordship will, there is a direction that Lordship will dispose of the matter because they need the minor
And later on, last occasion, they have taken 8 weeks time to file their affidavit.
We'll give a short time.
And in that case, lordship.
We'll give a short time. We'll
But
give a
if
short time.
there's another issue that whenever we are sending
No,
communication.
you will have to file the affidavit, Mr. Bhuya.
Lordship,
Matter is pending since around 6-7 months, more than 6-7 months.
lordship can dispose with a direction, my lord. I have already approached the authority, my lord, on 1st of.
That will not give you the relief. He's trying to raise some other issues. We'll try to resolve those issues so that you can get the relief.
My lord.
Otherwise, again, it will go against you.
My lord. My lord.
Mr. Gogoi would be appearing.
Yes, sir.
Sri B. Gogoi, Learned Standing Council, Health Department, submits that within a short time, the affidavit in opposition would be filed. Full stop. Sri S. Sharma, Learned Council, however expresses urgency, as the petitioner is out of employment because of the delay in settling the matter by the authorities. Full stop, para. Considering the above, this matter on 11th of December, by which time, the affidavit in opposition may be filed and oblique or instructions may be put on record. We'll try to dispose this of. And if there is no contentious issues, try to settle it. He suffered, everything got burned by the fire. He's only trying to sift. Of course, there may be some other issues we do not know. You just take care of.
Hello. So far as item 20 is concerned, the APDCL has filed their affidavit in reply yesterday, Mala, and it is not on record. So let this matter. They served a copy to.
It has not been filed as yet. We'll file it then.
So let it come on 19th of December, Mala.
19th. Okay.
19th of December. So it can be disposed of.
You are the petitioner in the first case.
I'm the petitioner.
20 is connected.
Yes, connected.
3D is Goswami, Learned Council appearing for the petitioner in WPC 135 with 2023 and also the private respondent number 2 in WPC 749 of 2023 submits that a copy of the affidavit in opposition of the APDCL has been
Affidavit in
served.
reply, Mala.
Affidavit in reply of
in
the
the second
APDCL
case.
has been served recently. Full stop. Para. Sri Das, B. Das, Learned Council appearing for the APDCL, however, submits that though the copy has been served, the affidavit in reply will be filed shortly. Full stop. Para. List on 19th of December. And as prayed for, list on 19th of December, along with the reply affidavit. Is there any interim order?
There is an interim order. Hello.
No need of extending. Mr. Borwa, what is this?
My lord, 8 years taken admitted amount, my lord, 2 lakhs paid and 17 lakhs 15 not paid, my lord, last 2 years.
Of which department?
My lord, this is the DC office, my lord. The dialogue card was taken on RAM and area amount admitted amount not paid. The pays
Mr. Gogoi, you're enjoying his Jailo car, not paying rent.
My lord, we have
Had it been any other car, we would have been lenient, but Jailo car,
Lord.
he's also emphasizing it's a Jailo.
Pays 18 is admitted
But
amount.
Jailo is an accident prone card. Very dangerous.
But deputy commissioner used, my lord, it was taken.
Lordship, we have received instruction, Lordship.
He may be an adventurous man.
One of my colleagues also prepared the affidavit, Lordship.
No, why did you pay? Are you disputing the amount?
Lordship,
Pays 18 not disputed, 2 lakhs part payment paid.
2 lakhs part payment is granted and some amount was some dispute is
Do
there.
you have any documents to show that they have acknowledged the
Yes,
liability?
Pays 18 and
1/8.
annexed D, my lord. And we acknowledge the 2 lakhs. 8 years it taken, my lord. for
No,
2
this
lakhs.
is your
Well, in
past.
yes.
No, this is passed for 2 lakhs. What is
Yes,
the
on-
total amount?
70 lakhs 50,000.
No, they have not acknowledged the other.
Others amount lordship from disputed is, so lordship may give
How
some
they
lordship,
I don't think these are disputed, but still then you
lordship,
get your instructions.
one affidavit is also prepared, it is sent for vetting, so lordship
Okay,
may
okay. Let them file the affidavit. What do you say in the affidavit?
affidavit lordship, I am not gone to it, one of my pen is prepared lordship. It says
Okay.
that only 2 lakhs
Yes.
amount is lordship, it is
No, that has already been
already
paid.
been paid.
The
That
other one,
other amount lordship, it says that it is the, for the FOC, it is pending lordship. The amount is not clarified here. So lordship may give some time, we will clarify.
no, if you are admitting, then we'll grant some time within such time, but file the affidavit. Let it be on record. On the basis of the affidavit, dispose this of.
Lordship.
Heard Sri M.J. Barwa, learned counsel for the petitioner. Para. Sri K. Gogoi, learned state counsel, submits that the affidavit in opposition would be filed shortly. Full stop. Para. Considering the subject matter, list this case on 13th of December to enable filing of the affidavit in opposition. Or full stop. This court may also make an endeavor to dispose of the writ petition under next date. No. Based on the affidavit, this court may also make an endeavor. No?
May I please your lordship?
Based on the affidavit, that may be filed. That may be filed. This court may also make an endeavor. Yes, yes. What is this?
The matter is relate for 2% forest royalty. The GMC asks for 2% forest royalty.
Yes, you are having
the
an interim
petitioner.
order in your
Yes, the lord.
favor. There is an interim order in your favor.
Yes, my lord.
Yes,
And,
now.
Opposition till date, he has not filed the affidavit in opposition.
Okay.
Under is the notification of mine and mineral.
Okay. Who will file the affidavit?
Okay, then we can file.
You're for the forest department.
The forest department.
Sri R. Gogoi.
R. Gogoi.
R. Gogoi, learned counsel representing the forest department. Madam, you will file affidavit. Submits that affidavit in opposition would be filed, for which he may be granted, for which he prays for, and is granted 4 weeks time.
A date may be fixed, my lord.
You are having an interim order. Why are you?
Interim order may be continued.
Lordship, let us be checked with there another batch of matters is out.
Yes.
Please along with WPC
2040 of 2020.
Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing. List along with
2040 of
2040 of 2020.
One more similar matter is there.
Doesn't matter. 2040 of
4015 is there also.
Main matter 2040 of 2023.
Yes, Lord.
List with similar matters. The lead case being WPC 2040 2023.
Deeply observed.
Mr. Sharma, what is this?
Non-payment of awaiting instruction, Lordship.
Non-payment of what?
Contractual amount, Lord.
Contractual amount.
PHE.
PHE, Lord.
On the prayer of Sri R. Gogoi, learned standing counsel PHE, matter is adjourned by 4 weeks to enable him to obtain instructions / file affidavit in opposition.
They have already admitted, my lord. Page 63.
Get the instructions. We'll dispose this of.
Fix that maybe, my lord. Otherwise it will not.
List on 15th of December.
My lord.
Full list of hello.
How like?
List of 2 weeks. List
My
after 2 weeks.
27. Item 27.
Mr. Khatania, what is this?
This matter relates to cancellation of the tender process, entire tender process.
Okay.
It's not case of rejection or
Department, which department? Agriculture. Affidavit file, Mr. Chaudhary?
Yes, pleading is complete.
Pleadings are complete. If you want to argue, you can argue today.
Yes.
Possible on a hearing that sometime.
What is the matter? Cancellation on what basis?
Tender process.
What is the basis?
Tender is regarding supply of some fertilizer items.
for the session 2022-23. Now that tender was floated on 19/9/2022.
You tell us whenever it's convenient, Mr. Chaudhary.
Either on Friday or Monday.
No, not Friday, Monday. Have you done a hearing day? Next Tuesday? Is it okay?
No, hearing is only difficult because it is only for the session 20.
No, next Tuesday.
Next Tuesday. Yeah.
On a
Next
hearing
Tuesday.
day.
Yes, yes.
Lordship, can it be on 7th?
7 is again
7th Thursday. Yes, we can have it on 7th Thursday.
7 is
7 December, Thursday.
no.
Pleadings are complete and the Learned Counsel for the parties submit that the matter can be disposed of at the admission stage. Full stop.
Can it be Malad on
Fifth, Mr. Chaudhary, fifth.
Some difficulty.
Mr. Khatanier is having some difficulties on 7th. Tell us an agreed date.
Lordship, 11 or 12.
12 then. 12, but not thereafter.
Yes.
Last week will come, will be in difficulty.
Yes.
On 12th of December. Admission hearing, no? On 12th of December.
Lordship, similar.
Is there any interim order?
No.
This is similar.
Yes, Lordship.
By another councillor, Mr. Khatanier. Who? 20?
27, 28,
27, 28.
20, same.
Same, Lordship, same.
Affidavits have been exchanged?
Yes.
Yes, same order.
29.
Actually, there petitioner is person was appearing matter. Petitioner in person was appearing matter. He is coming matter. So
we have filed the affidavit. For other day, instead of keeping it pending.
No, if somebody is appearing in person, you fix a date and ask him to be present, not like this. If somebody is appearing, he should come at 10:30.
Yes.
This is an extra privilege you are granting. He should be here.
Next Wednesday.
Next Wednesday. Are you appearing? No, you are not appearing.
Not yet.
Sri S. Hawk Learned Counsel has informed this court that the petitioner appears in person. Full stop. B. Gogoi, Learned Standing Counsel PWD,
Affidavit has been filed on behalf
has
of
submitted
number 2.
that the affidavit in opposition has already been filed. Full stop. Considering the aforesaid facts, list this case on Sri S. Hawk has informed this court that the petitioner appears in person, who, however, is not present today. Considering the aforesaid facts and also aforesaid facts, including that the petitioner is appearing in person, let a fixed date be fixed, and let a date be fixed. Then let this matter be listed on a fixed date. That is, yes, tell us. 4th of December, Monday. 4th December. 6th we have got many matters. 4th December. But ask him to come if he's appearing in person. What is the matter, man?
Complement of contractual bill, but we have disputed.
My lord, in this case, my lord, the senior counsel, my lord, can probably, my lord. This, my lord, not to come today, my lord. But the matter may pass over 2 weeks, my
Who is appearing, Mr. K. Chaudhary? Okay. Some bereavement is there.
My lord.
Okay, we'll have it after 2 weeks.
That is why I have.
No, some bereavement is there. They will fix a date after 2 weeks. Fix a date after 2 weeks.
My lord, 15 of December.
Okay. It can be on 11th of.
My lord,
11th of.
Madam, Monta?
My lord,
15th. 3 days will not make a difference. Somebody has passed away in the family. Sri L. N. Dihinya, Learned Counsel, submits that he is led by Sri K. N. Chaudhary, Learned Senior Counsel, who has suffered a bereavement. Footstop para. Sri G. N. Sahavala, Learned Senior Counsel, appears for the ONGC, who however submits that there is an interim order in operation. Footstop para. Be that as it may, comma. List this case, matter is adjourned to be listed on 15th of December.
Till then, interim order.
Para interim order passed earlier to continue till
Well,
the.
can it be on 14th of Malad because this is a matter already ordered the it can go down. It's like 14th.
No, his presence is necessary. 14th till 14th, I think he may not be able to come. Can he come on 14th, madam?
14th is after 12. We say.
Madam, 14th?
14th.
14th. Okay, 14th.
Though my lord, there is an interim order, my lord. My lord, ONGC authority, my lord, my stay order, my pass on my lord, 410, my lord. My same day, my lord, ONGC authority, my lord, issued my lord, walk out.
Okay, we'll see.
That is the my lord.
On 14th of.
Right.
Interim order passed earlier. Continue till the next day of this.
Right.
Yes. Yes, madam.
May it pleases your lordship. Lordship, on the last occasion, notice was issued the matter.
What is the matter about?
It's for cancellation of arms license of the petitioner.
Let's say extra copies we have not
been cancelled.
We have served extra copies.
Why do you need an arm, madam?
Lordship,
Why do you need an extra private arm?
Lordship, the petitioner faces certain threat. He was always, his father was an arms license holder, and then he.
That is okay.
Then he was also arms license. Lordship,
He has got his father's license, perhaps, but why do you need an arm?
Lordship,
What do you do?
Lordship, he is into construction business, and he has some business in Punjab, Haryana, where he faces immense threat.
Director of Bill Road. Okay, instructions.
Lordship, extra copies we require. So
give extra copies, madam.
Lordship, we had served. Lordship, I have the
Okay, give another extra copy. Yes, madam.
So, Lordship, I'm on the respondent number 1 and 3.
B.
B Deka.
For Union of India, it is prepared.
Oh, Varun Deka.
B Deka.
Vivasan Deka.
Vibhas Deka. Not Vibhas Deka.
Vivasan.
Vibhasan, okay.
Vivasan,
Not Vibhas, Vibhushan.
Probably otherwise.
I'm on behalf of Mr. P. Deka, learned 60, respondent number 1. We need some time to obtain instructions.
Give an extra copy, madam, to Mr. Gogoi. Have you got the instruction? I don't know.
No.
Then it comes, though notice was issued on 19/10/2023, comma, both Sri K. Gogoi, Learned State Council, as well as, madam, your name?
P. Purva.
MSP Burwa, Learned Council, appearing on behalf of Sri B. Deka, Learned CCC, submit that instructions are awaited. Full stop. Sri Gogoi further submits that an extra copy of the writ petition may be served upon him, may be furnished to him. Full stop. Para, list this case after 4 weeks. Para, let an extra copy of this writ petition be furnished to Sri Gogoi by tomorrow. Okay.
Obliged.
Your Lordship, item number 32, 33, and 34, Your Lordship. These are tender matters.
Yes. Similar.
Similar nature, Your Lordship. If Your Lordship may kindly peruse the order dated 1711. 1711, Your Lordship.
1711.
1711. These are the orders passed by the respondent, Your Lordship.
Okay.
1711 were passed.
Allowed to participate. Okay. You have been allowed.
We've not been allowed. What has happened, Your Lordship, is that the Honorable Court on 1711 had decided that if we make the cut as a L1 bidder, then the matter will be decided by this Honorable Court. If we don't make the cut, then there is no aspect of deciding the matter at all. The issue is the petitioners are manufacturers, and there are different categories of bidders which have been laid down. By way of a corrigendum,
the requirement has been changed that the manufacturer should also have a selling experience. Now, my learned senior friend here has stated that the evaluation has not taken place. So as of now, the matter is purely academic. So I pray before your lordship, the matter may kindly be placed after some time when the assessment takes place, the financial assessment.
You go
takes
ahead
place.
with the financial assessment.
Yes.
Lordship, the technical evaluation, some days will have
Yes.
another 4 or 5 days, Lordship.
And thereafter
only they will decide.
Okay.
Lordship may take it up next week, Lordship.
Okay, then you, while you technically, you go ahead with the process of technical evaluation, you're also considering their bids, aren't you?
Yes, as per
Okay. 3, M. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioners in these cases submits that subsequent to pursuant to the order dated 17/11/2023, the bids of the petitioners are being considered. Full stop. 3 para 3B Chaudhary, learned standing counsel of the department of the agriculture department submits that the technical assessment would be done within a few days and accordingly plays for listing this matter after 2 weeks or 1 week.
Lordship may take it up next time because
After 10 days. After 10 days.
On 11th, if your lordship, or any day after 10th.
After about 10 days. So that he can place the outcome of such technical evaluation before this court. Puts the para as agreed to by the parties, as agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties, list on 12th, 11th.
11th, I'll leave it to your lordship.
11 December.
The protection granted by the order dated 17 may continue. 17/11.
There are 2 points, Lordship. If he is not L1, then we can proceed with the evaluation.
The interim order passed earlier to continue to the next date of listing.
I'm grateful, Lord.
Okay, next.
Yes, is my this repetitions arise out of a
Mr. Sandeka, it has been taken care of. He is there.
Yes, if I submit the withdrawal of the.
Not necessary. He is there. He'll take care. Don't worry. Okay. Mr. Sharma.
No, this is this repetition arises out of a contract between the IOC and myself, my enterprise. This, if I may submit, is commission of fraud upon me ab initio. What has happened? I was allotted the contract to run a catering service in their guest house, along with my men and materials.
Okay.
Now, when I go over to take possession, they say, no, you cannot take possession. There are some other people who are in the guest house. You have to employ them. Only then you can run this. So we have no other option but to approach.
Yeah, for the ONGC, IOC.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, the fact is not. Lordship, as per order.
Have you filed your affidavit?
Yes, Lordship, earlier I have filed, but in 3066, I have not filed. Lordship, there is a development. Lordship, as per order dated 15/11/2023, Lordship, the court is directed for applicable settlement. So, Lordship, the
Show it to your senior colleague. Very common marker. देखिए वो number 2 ना marker नहीं permanent marker.
This is the outcome of the proposed settlement.
6596.
We have indicated
yes.
There's one major issue in this whole.
Now, are you disputing with the proposition that the matter has been settled?
No, man, it is not been settled.
You're disputing with the proposition.
We had on day before yesterday on 27.
as per
Proceed.
instruction.
Okay, then we'll have it after
Then
a
you
week
can
or
come
two.
After 2 weeks, Lordship.
My lord, next Wednesday. My lord, I'm not being
Next
protected.
is,
My lord, my lord may.
Okay, next Friday.
My lord.
Next Friday.
Next time not possible.
Okay.
Because we are.
Okay.
Fifteen-
Mr. Dasgupta, you're for whom?
I'm for the work.
Workman is also connected.
Yes. Very interesting.
Because we have been implemented in earlier case, they
File an intervener.
They preferred a reapplication. In that case, we have filed an application for taking our.
Okay, heard.
To be
My lord,
Three is
and
Sharma.
during pendency of this case, their contract was terminated.
My lord,
Against that termination order, they approved before your lord.
Second case.
Case. This is that case. Like basically, this is the case against the termination of the contract. But I make an endeavor to get the matter settled.
Okay,
That
okay,
is
okay. Heard Sri R. Sharma, let us see a council. For, yes.
I may be protected until Friday.
Is there any protection order?
No, my lord.
Then,
No order.
Friday we'll have it, don't worry. I shall not senior counsel for the petitioners.
Is not in a position to appear. His brother is in a jail position.
No, he's passed away. No, he said he's in bereavement, brother passed away.
Yes.
He's passed away.
That's
Oh, that I. Let it be on Friday.
Also heard MS Mohanta, learned Kotoki, learned council representing the IOCL, who submits that her senior Sri K.N. Chaudhary is under bereavement. Sri Dasgupta, learned senior counsel, is present for the workmen. Full stop para. On the prayer made on behalf of Sri Chaudhary, learned senior counsel, list on give a fixed date. He's paying her
14.
My lord,
14th.
my lord, it will be very late, my lord, because I'm not protected. I don't have interim orders in my book. And if they issue a fresh tender, then I'm no. The matter
Don't
will
go for a fresh tender, I think. It is submitted by Miss Kakoti, Learned Council, that there is a process initiated for settlement of the matter. Full stop. That's what list as agreed to by the parties. List on 14th of December 2023. Full stop. It is, however, observed that till the next date, no process be undertaken.
No, Lord.
No, for giving to any other party.
So they can't run a big-
It will not harm either side, my lord. It will not harm either side.
I can't undertake.
Because the balance of.
No, you're not undertaking. We are saying no process be undertaken to grant the work to any other party. Full stop. This order, the aforesaid observation would, however, be reconsidered on the next date. Okay, we'll come after some time. Who is for AFDC? P. Sharma. Where is he? He was here in the morning. Name reflected or no?
Not reflected.
AFDC. Affidavit was to be filed by yesterday, isn't it? Mr. Gogoi, is Mr. P. Sharma around? AFDC.
I have also passed out. He is not. He's not in the corridor.
Morning.
He was there in the
He
morning.
was morning.
Wait for a while. Okay. Try to inform him, locate him.
I have called.
It will. Yes, P. Sharma. Mr. Sharma, where is your affidavit?
Lordship, I will file a very short that actually today I got the instruction. There is a holiday, Lordship.
Yesterday I got the instruction. I could
Okay,
not
Sri
take
P. Sharma, Learned Standing Council AFDC submits that do the date fixed for filing affidavit was 28/11/2023, comma. He has got the instructions. He has received the instructions
yesterday.
only yesterday. Full stop. He accordingly prays for and is granted 10 days time to file the affidavit in
No,
opposition.
date may be
List on.
8, 9, 10, any
Tell us when.
10 December.
10th is a Sunday.
8 December, Lord.
On 11th of December. 11 December.
Yeah, in both the cases, there is interim notice may contain.
Interim order is there.
Lordship.
Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing.
Obligor.
Sixty-one. Answer, your name's not shown. Why?
Doctor is appearing personally, Lord. In
He
person.
was there, she went for having some water. He was just
After some time.
Name's not shown. Why? Do you have the instructions, Mr. Nayak?
Lordship, I have already filed my affidavit.
Affidavit filed.
She has filed her reply. Lordship, yesterday it was filed. Probably it is not in the record.
Where is she? Madam, thank you.
Phone.
None appears for the petitioner on call.
She's here.
Sarah,
Gone out for having a glass of water.
we cannot wait like this.
What will take up this after some time?
Where 3P Nayak, Learned Council is present for the respondents, GMD, who submits that affidavit in opposition has also been filed. Full stop. In the interest of justice, list after a week. Yes, next.
May I please close it? This is a non-payment of contractual dues, Lordship. Till now, Lordship, 28,80,000 is received.
Lordship, it is absolutely due to lack of fund, Lordship. In fact, we have written to the finance department also.
Have you filed your affidavit?
Affidavit is not filed.
File the affidavit
No.
based upon it, we'll dispose this.
Lord.
Okay. Sri N. Upadhyay, Learned Counsel for the respondent department submits that certain instructions have been received and he would file an affidavit. No, instructions have been received, full stop. Let an affidavit be filed based upon which this court will make an endeavor to dispose of this writ petition, which pertains.
Contempt case, Lordship.
Huh?
Contempt case.
It's a contempt case.
Lordship, is the reason.
Okay, what is your stand?
Lordship, in fact, Lordship, we have written to the finance department for some fund, Lordship.
Where is the order?
Lordship, order dated 6. Page number 8, Lordship.
Okay, no.
Kindly
Learned Counsel for the respondents.
Lordship.
Department who submits that instructions have been received and he would file an affidavit. Puts the para. List. He has 21 matter. Why this delay till now?
Only because of Lordship, lack of fund, Lord.
No. Why delay in filing the affidavit? From 2021.
I'll find out.
Within a period of 2 weeks as the last chance, as this matter pertains to the year 2021. List after 2 weeks.
Lord.
Madam Gayan,
Madam, I could not contact the concerned person on last Sunday and the next day court may pass any order, madam.
you
On
could not contact whom?
My lord, in earlier occasion, the honorable court asked whether he has been conducted or not, inducted or not in that in his post, my lord. So, my lord, on such maybe even the next day court may pass any order.
What is your instruction?
Lordship,
Where are you now?
he has not been inducted in the post till today.
Then only one person next day, my lord, may pass any order.
Have you filed any contempt?
Yes, Lordship, that the matter will be listed along with the contempt. 549 of 2022.
MSA Gayan, Learned Counsel, Learned CGC, appearing for the applicant, submits that instructions have not been received by her. Full stop. Sri H. Vesburwa, Learned Counsel for the opposite party writ petitioner, however, submits that
Contempt.
taking the advantage of pendency of the review petition, comma, the order has not been complied with, and in this regard, case C number
549 of 2000.
514
549.
549 of 2022 has been filed. Full stop. Para. List this case along with contempt case number, case C number 549 of 2022. After a week.
On December.
After a week, we have said. Contempt cases, yes.
My lord. In 508, my lord, Deputy Commissioner has not filed affidavit regarding my complaint.
What is the direction for compliance, Mr. Sharma?
My lord.
What is the order
Page, my lord, 13.
13.
Operative part is at page 16.
16. Yes.
The court is of the opinion that it would be in the interest of justice that
verify the claim of the parent. Yes, what have you done?
In item 39, I'm appearing. So the order has already been passed. Here, direction of the honorable court is at page.
To verify, yes.
No, page 18, the order is the respondent authority shall now work out the entitlement of the pension and other retirement dues of the petitioner by counting his total period of.
Now you are in item number?
Item number 39.
30, what is the number? 508.
This is
508.
546.
Not 39 then, this is something else. 39 is 508.
The same name. Oh, sorry. I am holding the different record.
No, these are by the same petitioner.
Same petition.
Why have you filed 3 petitions?
Three different bills are there. Because
these were the claims for what?
Pending contractual bill.
Contractual bill, nothing to do with pension.
Correct. I'm holding a separate.
You have to verify and pass necessary orders for payment. What have you done?
I am awaiting the I am awaiting the kindly keep it some time.
22 matters.
Correct. I
admitted part.
Affidavit filed.
Affidavit in respect of 508. Respondent number 2 has filed.
What has he said?
They say that they have made communication with the concerned department for
Get the
release of
instructions, Mr. Pranav.
kindly give me some time.
Counsel appearing for the respondent number 1.
For the respondent number.
Respondents. Praise for and is granted 3 weeks for a time to obtain the instructions. List on.
Any date.
It will be difficult on 50, last week it will be difficult. Now let us see try on 15th of December. 1-5.
All right.
All right.
Review.
What?
Yes, for what?
Lordship, the review is filed against my lord Soda Lordship, who is taking the review on the basis of order 27 rule 8 Lord. And that was stated in our petition, but Lordship, that was not placed before your Lordship, that while matter was argued. Lordship. And we are relying on of the division bench judgment of our High Court.
Now, which is the order you are
my lord Soda
seeking
is
review?
My lord Soda is page 19 Lordship.
19, yes.
19 Lord. Whereby Lordship directed us to deposit the amount Lordship.
Yes.
Lord.
First in respect of judgment. Okay. You are seeking review on what?
Review on order 27 rule 8 Lord. The government.
Order 27?
Lord. Order 27 rule 8 Lordship. EPC Lord.
Furnishing of securities.
Lordship.
You are exempted.
Lord. As a government Lordship. As a government institution. Then we also rely Lordship one of the judgment of our High Court Lordship. It is annexed here. The petition, IA review petition itself we have annexed Lordship. Page 21 itself.
But this is not a money suit. This is a claims.
Otherwise, Lordship.
What it was a what was the nature of the claim?
It is a Lordship.
Was it an accident related claim?
Lordship, it is a not accident claim. It was a Lordship punitive charges collected by the
commercial transaction.
Commercial transaction.
Yes, what do you say, madam?
I'm for item number 44.
Yes.
In MFA number 6223, my lord. Today I have filed the Wakalatnama. This is the acknowledgement copy.
Okay. You'd like to file objections here?
Lordship, we did not receive any copies, so kindly.
Notice was not issued first time, Lordship.
Okay, give copies.
Lordship.
Okay. He's made out a very legal point. 2780 says that so far as government is concerned, the question of furnishing security will not come. And had it been an accidental case, then perhaps we would have a different view. This is a commercial transaction. So, having the matter secured may not, that question may not arise. You make your submission and consider. Okay. Third, Sri K. Gogoi, learned CGC, who has filed this application seeking review of an order dated 9/8/2023 passed by this court in IA Civil 2285 of 2023 arising in MFA 62 of 2023 full stop by the said order, while staying the impugned judgment and order dated 28/4/2023 passed by the Railway Claims Tribunal, Guwahati bench, this court had directed deposit of the amount in the registry of this court within 2 months, full stop, by referring to CPC concern, Order 27, Rule 8A of the Code of Civil Procedure, the learned counsel has submitted that the appellant, being the railways, it is not required to.
Page 177 was the page 170.
It is exempted from making any such deposit under the aforesaid provision of law. Full stop. Let notice be issued, returnable by 4 weeks. M. Sharma, Learned Counsel has already appeared for the opposite party and therefore issuance of formal notice is dispensed with. However, let a copy of this.
By tomorrow, I will find it.
Let a copy of this review application be served upon her by tomorrow. You file your objection if then if we review the interim direction, we can go for an early disposal of the Madam Sharma, you have filed your wakalatnama.
Yes, madam. Today I have.
Since it is submitted by MS Sharma, that wakalatnama has been filed, cause this may reflect her name.
People.
47.
Contempt, yes. Yes, instructions. Who's for the petitioner? Yes, what instructions do you have?
Please, the issuance of license to the seminary register. The issuing authority is government. I am appealing for the IGR. IGR forwarded to the government. It is
None appears for the petitioner on call, whereas Sri S. Datta, Learned Counsel, has appeared for the respondent number 1.
Number 2.
2, whereas
I am appealing for respondent number 1.
your name has appeared in the cause list or not? Yes.
Yes.
You are for 1. Then M.H. Laskar, whereas Sri M.H. Laskar and Sri S. Datta, Learned Counsel, appears for the respondables 1 and 2 respectively. Full stop. The Learned Counsel for the respondents pray for and are granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition.
Public.
Item 48 and 49.
Contempt.
Office note dated 27th of November seems that the notice has been served. And the containers are the officials of the Public Works Department, the Commissioner, Special Secretary, Deputy Secretary, Chief Engineer, and Executive Engineer of PWD Department. And the order passed by your Lordship, operative part is page 11.
Yes, yes, anybody is appearing? Public Works. Inform Mr. Gogo informally. He can inform, otherwise we'll have their personal appearance. After receiving of notice, if they fail to make the representation, we will take steps in accordance with law. Sri A. Dhar, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, by referring to the office note dated 7/11/2023, submits that the respondents have been served. Full stop. However, none has appeared today. Full stop. Para. None has appeared today for the respondents. Full stop. Para. In the interest of justice, matter is adjourned by 2 weeks to enable the respondents to make representations. Full stop. Failure to do so may invite passing of appropriate orders by this court.
Before vacation possible because it's the work of 2001.
We have said how many weeks? 4 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks. 2 weeks. It will be before vacation. Okay. But you inform Mr. Gogoi this now. And if possible, ask him to come to the court. Both the matters same office note?
Same.
Date?
Same. Order date.
58.
Mr. Wahab,
Lordship, Jasmine, Lordship, page 30 onward, 13 onward.
Notice is yet to be issued.
Not issued.
Notice is yet to be issued.
Yes, Lordship.
30,
Order-
page
Page 13, Lordship.
13.
13.
Where is the operative portion?
The portion, Lordship, page direction, page 19, Lordship, para 8, Lordship,
19.
para 8, Lordship,
Fresh application. You had made fresh applications.
Lordship.
Make a thorough inquiry. Where is your fresh application?
Lordship,
1/1/2023.
1 Lordship, yes.
Heard Sri A. Wahab, learned counsel for the petitioner who complains that the order dated 2/11/2022 passed in WPC 6720/2022 has not been complied with. Full stop. He has also referred to the application dated 11/1/2023 submitted pursuant to the direction of this court, which has not been considered by the respondent. Full stop. Let notice be issued. Returnable by 4 weeks. Let steps be taken for service of notice upon the respondent by registered post with AD. Steps by tomorrow.
Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship,
We have reduced your cost
Lordship,
from 25 to 10.
and replay of it.
No question of obligation. Don't come with frivolous litigation. Next time will not decrease.
Lordship.
Yes. What is this?
Lordship, at page 30, please met. The insurance
number?
company prepared an appeal, and it was disposed on 12
Oh, some
Yes, Lordship.
they had made a statement that it was
Yes,
deposited.
yes.
What is your what is it now?
Lordship, at page, Lordship, kindly turn to page 30.
30.
30.
Yes.
At paragraph 4, the Lordship got.
In view of the
The appellant insurance company submits that out of the said amount, an amount of so and so has already been paid to the claimant. In fact, it is lying in the registry.
Oh, okay.
That is the
Okay.
I have already served a copy to the Departmental Council of the insurance company.
Here for whom?
I'm for the claimants.
Claimants. Well, anybody appearing for the insurance company?
I have served a copy. Lord. His name is also reflected.
Name is reflected. T. Kulita. Can you ask him to come to the court? We can dispose this off.
Yes, but I made a call, but he's not picking up.
Friday we'll have it.
Lots.
We'll Friday if he's not there, we'll dispose this off. Heard Sri D. Das, learned counsel for the applicant, who by means of this application has sought certain clarification in an order dated 12/12/2020 passed by this court. Full stop. That order was in a Loka Adalat.
Loka Adalat.
Though the order was passed in a Loka Adalat, comma, it is submitted that the clarification sought for would not change the nature of the order, and the clarification is required only because of an incorrect submission made and recorded in the order. Full stop. It is the specific case of the applicant that the insurance company had made a submission that out of the total amount of rupees 12 lakhs, an amount of rupees 7,19,775 has already been paid to the claimants. Full stop. The learned counsel submits that
the said submission recorded is not wholly correct. Full stop. It is clarified that though the amount of rupees 7,19,775 has been deposited in the registry of this court, the same is yet to be released, and therefore the question of the same amount being already paid to the claimants will not arise. Full stop. Para. None appears for the insurance company in spite of names reflected in the cause brief. Para. Considering the above, let this matter be called again on Friday. Date to remember. On which date, an endeavor will be made to dispose of the application.
Understood.
Okay.
54. Well, I don't know, my lord.
For?
I for? My lord, yes, IFL, my lord, IMFL of license has been put in the my lord. Settlement has been made.
To you.
This honorable court, my lord, passed an order that the issuance of license is subject to outcome of this. Now, my lord, if you also see and IA, my lord, government has issued the order at page 11.
Of the IA?
IA,
Yes.
my lord, for Sona area, my lord, it has been issued an order regarding settlement of the in favor of the in applicant. Now, in view of that, my lord, the superintendent, my lord, directed me to deposit 4 lakhs, my lord, 2 lakhs and 2 lakhs, my lord.
Okay.
And we have deposited the same.
Okay.
Now, my lord, as per the rules, my lord, the deputy commissioner has to issue the license. But deputy commissioner is not issuing the license, my lord. He is holding that. My lord. So I pray, my lord, that the deputy commissioner will be directed to complete the process. I am happening, my lord. I deposited it long back, my lord.
Where is the observation of this court?
My lord, in the order, my lord, remain read
Page.
Read petition, my lord.
No, here you have not annexed.
No, my lord, that has not.
You should have annexed the petition.
I'm holding.
Order dated?
2922. 2922, my lord. Last, but one para, my lord.
29.
29. It is, however, made clear that issuance of license given in favor of the 5 shall is subject to outcome of the.
If any,
yes.
There is no positive direction.
No, if license is issued, my lord. So license, my lord, now this has been at that time, my lord, only settlement was made, my lord. Now that order has been passed by the government. So
no, this court has not given an affirmative direction for issuance of the license.
No, not
Who are you?
Not issuance of the license, my lord. License is to be issued by, but stay has not been granted. Stay has not been granted by this one. They pray for stay, but stay has not been granted by this one.
Now, who is the petitioner here?
Lordship, I'm the petition. I'm for the petition.
Somebody else had challenged your the issue of. Okay, you already responded in the writ petition.
My lord, I'm just not.
You say that in spite of the order and in taking in view of the observation, the process has started. Only the DC has to act now.
My lord. So
yes, what do you say?
Why government should lose the revenue also, my lord?
What do you say?
But we will file the affidavit.
Come for the first time. But see, what is your name?
N Brahma Lordship.
N
Brahma Lordship.
Burma.
Brahma.
Brahma. So Brahma, see, there is no stay in the process. Court has said that if license is granted in the meantime, that will be the outcome of the writ petition. Process have started. Now the DC is not taking the ultimate step. We can clarify. We will not direct the DC to do the needful. We can say that there is no restraint of any kind. That will clarify.
That in license because the order simply better few license are not to issue the
No, see, the petition, the subject matter of challenge is the issue of license. That has not been stayed per se.
Exactly.
Court has said that in case you issue the license, that will be subject matter. Now, you have taken a conscious decision to go ahead with the issuance of the license. DC is halting.
Yes, sir.
We will just say, we will not direct the DC to do the needful. We will say that there is no stay order. We will clarify. But we grant a week's time to take instruction since it's come for the first time. Okay. Third. Sri G. N. Sahol, learned senior counsel for the applicant, who is the response number 5 in the writ petition, in the connected writ petition. Full stop. It is submitted that while the subject matter of the writ petition pertains to the issue of a liquor license to the applicant,
IMFL
license to the applicant, comma, this court, wide order dated 2/9/2022, while issuing notice, had made an observation that issuance of license, comma, if any, in favor of the applicant shall be subject to the outcome of the writ petition. Full stop. Para. The senior counsel submits that a process has been initiated and the government has also passed necessary orders. Full stop. However, the deputy commissioner has not passed consequential orders, as a result of which the applicant is suffering. Full stop. Para.
And government is also losing revenue, my lord.
Suffering. It is also submitted that the department is also losing the revenue. Full stop. Para. Sri N. Brahma, learned counsel for the opposite party writ petitioner, however, praised for some time to obtain instructions / file affidavit in opposition. Full stop. Para. Considering the limited nature of the prayer made in this application, comma, leaves this case on 12th of December, by which time necessary instructions may be taken, obtained by the learned counsel for the respondent. Full stop. 3K R.R. Gogoi, learned standing counsel excise. You are also there. And 3 K. Gogoi, learned state counsel, are also present.
Lordship, in the main writ petition, service may be awaited, but
That will take up.
office not dated 17/11.
That will take up. That is not before us today. We'll take up the IA.
Okay.
The IA Elizabeth. We had this matter this morning, same.
Lord, my lord.
Then
The crux of the matter was that there's an
got
order.
your affidavit.
No, Lordship, we
He
have
has a
considered
instruction.
their demand.
They have
We
considered. me.
demanded not, we demanded revenue from the secretary. instead of-
Considered.
Then the imprint order may be set aside. Or this, whatever is this.
We'll take this on record.
Take this on record.
Heard Sri S. Bonik, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Sri P. Sharma, learned standing counsel. This is FDC.
No, Fishery Department. Fishery Department.
Standing counsel, Fishery Department, Government of Assam, and Sri V. Rajkua for standing counsel for the Corporation Department. Sri K. Gogoi, learned additional senior government advocate, appears for the state respondent. Full stop. Considering the developments which have taken place during the pendency of this writ petition and the orders passed, comma, this petition is taken up for disposal at the admission stage itself. Full stop. Para. The petitioner has put to challenge a communication dated 7/11/2023
and a consequential.
And what?
Page 48.
7/11 and
7/11 and 4/11.
Consequential will not be 4/11.
It is private.
We have made a statement. We also have documents that 4/11 was issued on 9/11. 7/11, the secretary was given illegally the power to collect the revenue.
7/11,
And so he was taking measures.
2023, issued by the department, as per which the Assistant Registrar of Cooperative Societies, Tinsukia, was directed to take necessary actions so that the secretary of the Petitioner Society discharges his duties and function in accordance with law. Full stop. The petitioner has also challenged our communication dated 9/11/2023, by which
4/11
another communication dated 4/11/2023
issued on 9/11
has been brought to the notice of the petitioner. Full stop. Para. Sri P. Sharma, learned standing counsel of the department, however, submits that in terms of the order dated 17/11, which order?
28/11
Of this court, and as the term submits that during the pendency of this writ petition, a communication has been issued on 28/11/2023, whereby the grievances of the petitioner society have been redressed. Full stop. A copy of the said order has also been furnished to Sri Bonik, the learned counsel for the petitioner.
And the moot observation, my lord. In
The-
view of
amongst others, in the said communication, it is provided as follows.
the issue of collection of revenue.
In view of the, second last paragraph will say,
This is the third paragraph, my lord, from the top.
in view.
In view. Well,
Yes,
so-
no, again.
No, is that leaving the issue of
No,
collection?
we'll have this on record. Don't say.
But that observation may be relevant, my lord.
No, we'll have this on
My
record.
lord. Very well.
This court is of the view that in view of the, is of the opinion that in view of the aforesaid communication, the grievance of the petitioners is substantially redressed. Full stop. Accordingly, the writ petition is closed. Copy of the communication dated 28/11/2023 is made part of the record.
In view order may be set aside, my lord. In view of this, it would speak in two tunes.
It is in your lordship.
This court further observes that in view of the stand taken by the department, the impugned orders stands redundant.
Redundant, and consequently, the society is to take measures for collection of revenue,
No, it is
not any
imminent.
official, because that is the crux of 9/11, the 4/11, the communication, my lord.
But
The
it is imminent,
consequential it was
lordship.
issued.
It is imminent. We'll collect from the society itself, lordship.
Okay.
But it's a matter of deposit. That observation be there.
We have rectified it.
Or the writ petition stands allowed, that observation, that word may be there. That word may be there. It should have.
No, it is.
Otherwise, it has that tenor of that.
No,
The
we'll collect
the
from
client
the
will not understand dispose. They will
My
only
lordship, the
understand
authority might
allowed.
take it the other way
No,
now.
no, lordship.
We'll ensure that it's properly worded.
Obliged, lordship.
Mr. Gogoi, there are matters where PWD has been served. We don't want matters, unnecessary officers in the court. But they have, in spite of being served, they are not in the court.
I will have the inspection.
We have informally have asked Mr. Dhar to give him a copy.
48%.
It's the proceeding, girls. And Islam. Yes.
Pleasure, Lordship. Lordship notice was to be served. Already notice is served upon respondent 7, my lord.
7 has been served.
Now, service awaited, my lord.
Your instructions?
Lordship, we have written instruction, Lordship. Affidavit also, Lordship, we are sent it for vetting.
Okay.
For WP,
Ah.
less than 50 ration card.
Okay.
Is the reason, Lord.
Await SR upon the SPR number 7. Tara, so far as the official respondents are concerned, Sri K. Gogoi, learned State Council submits that instructions have been received and he would file the affidavit in opposition within a period of 4 weeks from today. Yes.
I'm sorry to say that I missed that item number 61, my lord.
Yes.
So as the lease is exhausted, can it be taken up at 2 o'clock, my lord?
2 o'clock, we
Because
will not
earlier-
wait for this matter. We waited for you long time. We are fixing.
Can on Friday, my lord. Can it be on Friday?
What is
Because
the matter about?
Matter, my lord, building permission, my lord, applied.
You are appearing in
April.
person in this matter.
Petition was done. This is my company's matter, my lord. I am the director. And my lord, due to some silly earlier, my lord, it was approved.
Mr.
and
Nayak,
recommended.
Nayak, what is
I
this
got
matter?
committee. This is the
Earlier one certificate was given.
Can we take up now or we'll have it on Friday? We have
No,
passed
no.
orders.
I think my learned senior colleague said that if the reply is not before your lord.
And I just come, no? It's like a light.
Reply.
Just come.
On Friday, we'll have then
Friday, my
exchanges
lord.
it.
Yes, my lord.
But
I
be
will.
present. We waited for you. Since somebody said you were coming.
Get this back, my lord.
No, we really waited for you. Since somebody said you were coming, then nobody was there.
Sorry, my lord. Sorry for your- Friday, my lord.
We'll have it on Friday.
Friday.
Yes, Meera, what is your matter?
Item number 47, your lordship, contempt, your lordship. Actually, I was in court number 18, your lordship.
We have passed orders. What is it?
The contempt has already been complied with you.
44.
47, your lordship.
47 by orders. Keep a mind on me. Who's for the other side? MS Raskar was there. Yes, MS Raskar and S. Dotto. Yes. ঠিক আছে বড় একটু করে দিন 47 to mark.
Liberty kindly be.
In fact, they were saying this, but since you are not there, Sri, but inform Mr. Dotto and Mr.
Yes, I will inform.
Laskar. Sri K. Meera Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that during the pendency of this case, the order dated so and so passed in WPC so and so has been substantially complied with.
Liberty.
What is the liberty?
Actually, your lordship, his application is pending before the.
Now you can
principal.
file will say
Appropriate application.
okay. No, has been substantially complied with. However, don't submits that pursuant to the order dated passed in WPC so and so, and order has been passed. Dated.
Letter.
A letter has been issued on
6 July 2023.
6 July 2023. Full stop. The Learned Counsel also heard Sri M.H. Laskar, Learned Counsel for the respondent number 1, and Sri S. Dutta, Learned Counsel for the respondent number 2. Full stop. The Learned Counsel for the the Learned Counsel for the petitioner fairly submits that though the element of contempt may not be may not be existing, comma, he may be given liberty to challenge the correctness, validity of the communication. Full stop. Contempt petition accordingly stands closed with liberty as paid for. Please inform Mr. Dr. and Mr. Laskar. এটুকুনে মারিছিল তুমি মারিছিল নাকি? ওকে ঠিক অবশ্যই